Good day, everybody. Mr. Hogan again here with your announcements for Monday, October 11th, 2021. Welcome back. On the birthday list today, I see a birthday for Vincent Yocum and also for Courtney Phillips. So a very happy birthday to the two of you. On the lunch menu today, our hot lunch options are chicken quesadilla or cheese quesadilla, spicy chicken sandwich, or hamburger. These items are offered with steamed corn, refried beans, garden bar, and assorted fruits. Additional daily options are jumbo PB&J, assorted sub sandwiches, assorted box salads, yogurt and sweetbread, and hummus and pita bento box. All right, on the news, it's short today. Attention MLC, Mustang Leadership Club, please plan to attend our meeting on October 19th, 2021. We will meet in the WMS Commons from 3:15 to 3:55 p.m. Please ensure you have a ride arranged. Please see Mrs. Stratton or Mrs. Toman with questions. Last week's Spurs Focus was prepared with your Chromebook. We selected two 8th grade students. They are Skyland Eden, who was nominated by Mr. Crowder, and Matthew Brooks, who was nominated by Mrs. Schumacher. So congratulations to the two of you. All right, that is all I have, my friends. Have a great Monday. And, there's only one thing left to do. Of course you know what it is. Last but not least, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.